picture din. Ayan.
Tita, to.
Hello! Hi! Ano na nangyari sa ano mo? Dali ah. Ganda naman ni Eunice. Hello, baby! Hi! Hi, Shelby! Hello! Say hi! Baby! Hello, baby! Bye-bye! Wow, are you shy? Ang daming tao, sobra. Ayan. Nandito kami ngayon sa bahay ni Kagawad Al Fernando. Ayan. This is the last motorcade that we're going to do. Okay, here there's a lot of children over here. Yeah. Okay, there's a lot of support for the Batang Campaign. So many people here. Thanks for everyone who support my mom and Kagawad Al Fernando. Ayan, pahiramin mo muna sa akin. Ayan, thank you.
Mamaya ko lang kukunin sa
Okay, buti na konsensya ka. Thanks.